Welcome to our Debug Tools and Visual Studio training. By the end of this training, you will understand what debug tools are, learn why debugging is important, explore the best debugging extensions for Visual Studio, master how to use debugging tools effectively. Here are the most critical topics and how to utilize them. Understanding debug tools, key to error resolution. How to define. A debug tool is essential for identifying code errors. Action. Use tools to track variables and fix bugs efficiently. The importance of debugging in software development. How to recognize. Debugging is crucial for code quality and performance. Action. Utilize debugging tools to enhance software reliability. Top debugging extensions for Visual Studio. How to choose. Select extensions that best fit your development needs. Action. Integrate tools like Oscode and IntelliTrace into your workflow. Mastering the debugging process in Visual Studio. How to execute. Follow a step-by-step process to debug effectively. Action. Set breakpoints and monitor variable values during execution. Now let's check our knowledge retention with a couple of real-world examples. You need to debug a web application. What steps will you take? Pause and analyze. Debugging a web application using Debugger for Chrome. Your action should be: identify errors and resolve them promptly. Imagine debugging a C# project. How will you utilize Oscode? Pause and review. Use Oscode to enhance C# debugging in a project. If you encounter issues, apply IntelliTrace to track down intermittent bugs. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. Debug tools are essential for efficient programming. They help improve code quality and performance. Knowing how to use these tools can save time and effort. Please explore other debugging tools that best fit your use case. Research and enhance your debugging skills. Thank you for being a part of our Debug Tools and Visual Studio training.